Today on World Soil Day, it is a great opportunity to discuss the importance of biochar and the growing role it plays in restoring and improving soil health. We've been researching and developing innovative ways to support soil rehabilitation and revegetation. We've learnt there aren't too many other amendments with the same power and diversity as biochar, a carbon-rich structure created through controlled pyrolysis. At Vital Chemical, we integrate a proprietary blend of Vital Biochar into several of our soil rehabilitation products, including VE Char Mat and VE Organic Mat. These products help stabilise soil, reduce erosion, support microbial life, and improve vegetation establishment. Healthy soil is the foundation of healthy landscapes, and this World Soil Day, we're proud to highlight how Vital Biochar is helping us build soil function and support sustainable land management. Happy World Soil Day.